You've been analyzing your competitors' channels and you found a lot of good ideas for both videos and topics. But which one should you use? Let's find out. Ranking search phrases. Before we get into it, we need to understand that not all YouTube search phrases are created equal. Some are harder to get ranked for than others. Generally, short, common phrases like running shoes is harder to get ranked for than longer, more specific phrases called long tail phrases. Best running shoes for women is a long tail phrase, as are my choice of running shoes under $60 or top 5 running shoes for overweight joggers. Since your key competitor's channel is more established with a larger number of views, subscribers, and videos than yours, YouTube is going to rank its videos for key phrases above yours. This is because your key competitor's channel has proven to the algorithm it has an audience, so it's less risky to post its videos rather than yours. Now that you know this, we want to search for phrases in the titles of our key competitors' videos, then rank them from high-level search volume to low-level search volume. Here's a demonstration on how to do it. The first thing we do is we go up to our channel dashboard and we click Analytics. After that, we go to the top bar and click Research. Then we put in the search bar the search term that we're looking for. I put in YouTube banner, and as I scroll down, I notice that all of them have high and medium levels of volume, but I want something with low volume. So I'm going to make a long tail search term by putting in how to make YouTube banners. Now I can see there's quite a few with low volume displayed. Great, we got our list. Now we're going to make a chart like this one. The topics at the bottom are the search phrases with low levels of search volume, and those higher up have a higher level of search volume. This is what a completed chart looks like. It gives you a roadmap showing you which search phrases to make videos about, starting from the bottom and moving your way up as the channel grows. Pro tips. Here are 2 pro tips. First, you may have found that there are really good search phrases from your secondary channels, as you have seen in the previous video. Choose those search phrases which, number 1, have low search volume, and 2, are aligned with the topics you want to develop on your channel. Then add them to the chart. I would only do this if there are not very many search phrases to use from your key competitor's channel. The second tip is inserting the phrases with the content gap icon. This icon is essentially YouTube telling us that the algorithm feels there needs to be more videos on this topic. This icon suggests that viewers may not be finding any results for the topic, or not be able to find an exact match for their searches, or not finding enough relevant videos. I can click the Search tab at the top, then select Content Gaps Only. This showcases all the phrases with content gaps related to my topic phrase. These are excellent topics to start making videos on, so insert them into your chart. Competitor channels I should consider. Here's the thing when you first start looking for your competitor channels. The algorithm is going to show you the most popular channels in your niche. The algorithm has learned that these channels produce videos which the niche's audience members really enjoy. Here's the danger for us. It's hard to compete with the large channels. We're better off competing with small ones. When I talk about channel size here, I'm referring to the number of subscribers they have. Here are some guidelines I like to follow. Channels with under 1,000 subscribers are questionable. I like that they're small, but the algorithm may not yet know who their target audience is. If there are some good signs that the channel has taken off at least 6 months ago, and the videos are consistently being uploaded, and the number of views the videos are getting is generally steadily rising over time, then I would call it a rather established channel. But I would feel more comfortable with channels that have between 1,000 and 5,000 subscribers. These channels are small enough to be good competitors. They're not too big or too small. They are the ideal size for us. Channels with 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers are good, but not as good. I would be a bit concerned about trying to target channels with between 10,000 and 40,000 subscribers. These are getting pretty big, and I would definitely stay away from channels over 40,000 subscribers. Over time, the YouTube algorithm will display more and more smaller channels. So it's a good idea to note these down as you see them, look at them, and decide if any of them are worth targeting. We've looked at YouTube channels, so now let's look at the videos on these channels. Here we want to see videos that have gotten a lot of views. This is how to do it. First, we go to the chosen competitor's channel, then in the top tab, click Videos. Once the videos display, then order them by popularity. The first videos displayed will be the most popular ones of all time on this channel. We want to then look at the number of subscribers the channel has, and any videos with a number of views that exceeds the number of subscribers has a good video topic. It's a topic that the audience members who this channel attract, and that means it's going to be a good topic your audience will like too. Check out this video to learn the best ways to safely copy your competitors' videos to grow.